Hey guys, whether you want to adhere to a healthy low-carb lifestyle or you're a diabetic and can't handle too many carbohydrates, or you just want to be healthier and lower your sugar content in your diet, this special treat is for you. It's delicious, it's moist, and it's so easy to make, and it just requires a few ingredients. So let's dive in. In a medium mixing bowl, whip up 4 large eggs or 5 smaller eggs. Then add 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, about 2 teaspoons of stevia, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix very well until it's not lumpy. Then add 3/4 of a cup of coconut flour to the mixture, and again mix very well until not lumpy anymore. Next, add to the mixture 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a pinch of sea salt. Mix very well, very well. If the batter is too thick, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, but in this case, I chose to add just a little bit of heavy cream, but it's up to you. And then you smooth the batter into that 8-inch pan. Use the back of a spoon to smooth the surface. And then once everything is sort of even on the surface, it's ready to go in the oven, 350 degrees. It can bake from anywhere from 20 to 40 minutes, so just keep checking, use a fork, and when it comes out clean and the edges are golden brown, then you are ready to let it cool for about 15 minutes, and then you can dive right in. It's truly delicious, guys. It's so moist. Here's what it looks like. So nice, thick, and moist. You can reheat it, add butter to it. It's perfect.